Hello everybody, this is our video number 3 on the same topic, the relation and the function, and in this video we will continue the exercise 1.1. So start our class with the question number 3 as per your NCERT, exercise 1.1. Question number 3. Check whether the relations are defined in a set. So, a given set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our given set, and this set contains the 6 elements. And suppose the name as this set is A. Let the name of this set is A, and a relation R is defined in this set A, and the definition of this R, the R is equal to, R contains the ordered pair AB in form of AB, and such that what is the relation between this AB, the B is equal to A plus 1, and justify that this relation is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. This is our question. So as per this definitions, what is the roster form of this relation? So if you put the A is equal to 1, then we get the value of B is 2. So that means 1, 2 is our first order pair. Second one, similarly, if you put A is equal to 2, then we get the value of B is 3. After that, 3, 4, 4, 5, and 5, 6. So this is the roster form of this relation, and this relation contains the 5 ordered pair 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5 and the 5, 6. After that, verify that this relation is satisfy the reflexive or not, symmetric or not, and the transitive or not. Okay, so first one, as per the given relations, in this relation the 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6 does not belongs to this R. So it is seen that as per this relation does not contain the 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 for this type of ordered pair for each and every element of a given set. So these R is not reflexive. So these R is not reflexive. Okay. Next, try to prove that this relation is satisfied the symmetric criteria. Symmetric. Okay, so if you consider the 1, 2, so 1, 2 is belongs to R as per our given informations, but 2, 1 is does not belongs to R. So these relation R is also not satisfy the symmetric relations. Okay, so the R is not symmetric. Okay, after that, try to prove that this relation is satisfy the transitive or not. So as for the, if you consider the any two ordered pair, so that means 1 comma 2 belongs to R, belongs to R, and 2 comma 3 belongs to R. But 1 comma 3 does not belongs to R. So if you consider the first two ordered pair from this relation, so this relation also contain the 1 comma 2 the first ordered pair and the 2 comma 3 is second ordered pair, but this relation does not contain the 1 comma 3. So this relation is also not satisfy the transitive criteria of the relations. So these are is not transitive. Okay? The next one. Question number 6. So that the relation R in the set 1, 2, 3. So as per the question number 6, a set is given and this set is also contain the three elements 1, 2 and 3, and a relation is R is defined on this set 1, 2, 3, and R also contain this, the element of this R is 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1. Okay, so question is so that this relation is only satisfy the symmetric relations but not satisfy the reflexive and as well as the transitive. So as per the given relations, easily conclude that this relation does not contain the 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So these type of ordered pair is not included or not the element of a given relations. So this relation is not satisfy the reflexive relations criteria. Next one, symmetric. So as per the given conditions, the 1 comma 2 is also belongs to R and 2 comma 1 is also belongs to R. That means the R is symmetric. Okay, so as per our given relation, these relations contain the only two ordered pair. The first ordered pair is 1 comma 2 and the second one is the 2 comma 1. And as per the symmetry criteria, if the any relation is contained the A comma B, then this relation is also contained the B comma A. Then this relation is called the symmetric relations. So this relation, this given relation is also satisfy the symmetric criteria. After that, the transitive, the relation R contain the 1 comma 2 belongs to R and 2 comma 1 belongs to R. but 1 comma 1 is does not belongs to R, so this relation is not transitive. In this way, we can easily prove that this relation is satisfy only the symmetric criteria of the relations, but this relation does not satisfy the reflexive and transitive criteria of the relations. Okay? Next, question number 7. Question number 7. Show that the relations are in the set A of all the books in library of a college, and given by the R, the definition of R, the R contain the x, y, the ordered pair, and the relation between the x and y, the x and y have same number of pages. The same number of pages. This is the definition of this R, and question is show that this R is an equivalence relation. So that means these R also satisfy the reflexive criteria of a relations, symmetric criteria of a relations, and the transitive criteria of a relation. Then this relation is called the equivalence relation. So first, try to prove that this relation is satisfy the reflexive criteria or not. So let x comma y, x is belongs to R, then we can write x and x have same number of pages. Okay, so if you consider the x comma x is belongs to R, that means this type of ordered pair, this is the general form of this type of ordered pair, and it is true for each and every ordered pair of this, just like this form. So x and x have the same number of pages. It is true. So this time this R is reflexive. This R is reflexive. Second one, symmetric. Let, as per our given conditions, x comma y is belongs to R. That means x and y have same number of pages. Number of pages. From this we can write the y and x have same number of pages. It is also true. So x and y have the same number of pages. That means from this line we can easily write that the y and x have the same number of pages. Both are the same. And from this we can write the y comma x is belongs to R. That means for each and every ordered pair of x and y is belongs to R. That means for this x comma y is belongs to R. For this x comma y ordered pair of always we find a particular y comma x ordered pair in this particular relation. That means that this relation is a symmetric relation. Okay. So R is symmetric. R is symmetric. Okay. Then last one. Transitive. So transitive, let x comma y is belongs to R and y comma z is another ordered pair is also belongs to R. Okay. So from this we can write x and y have same number of pages. Okay, and for this ordered pair y and z have same number of pages. Okay, so at first we consider the x comma y is belongs to R and y comma z is also belongs to R, and that means x comma y is belongs to R. That means the x and y have the same number of pages, and y comma z is belongs to R. That means the y and z have the same number of pages. That means from this line we can write the x and z have same number of pages. Okay, and from this we can easily write the x comma z is also belongs to R. That means this relation is also satisfy the transitive criteria of the relations. So this relation is a equivalent relation. So R is transitive. And from this we conclude that the R is an equivalent relation. This is the procedure to prove this type of problem. Okay. So that's all for the today's lecture. Thank you everybody.